on the range for real. His girl car. Hey Jazz, you know we buying niggas cars, man. I ain't gonna give y'all that juice. I can't tell. I got 2 sites. I gonna get all the cars, bro. You feel me? For the Lodylucci. I can help y'all out. I give y'all the plug. Look, even if he was in this car, it could be this car. Look, you never know how high young that. Nah, he ain't in that junk. He ain't in that one. I know for a fact of the steering wheel. 1200. Know what I'm saying? Let me see. He definitely ain't in that junk. He'll be capping so hard. If he had this, he'll be capping so hard. He ain't in that junk at all. Look, that junk like a Benz. He did. Oh, no, he ain't in there. He ain't got no touch screen, nothing. He in that first junk I showed y'all. Yeah. No, we some Christians for real, Jad. You feel me? For real. You know what I'm saying? Anybody from Memphis, I know everybody from Memphis on this website, you know what I'm saying? My girl wants to have it. Look, even if he was in this one, there's a 14. He might be in this jump right here, though. There's a 14. He might be in that jump. And so what? 2600. We walk around with it on us. Watch. We walk around with this on us, dog. 2600. Feel me? Boy. Remind y'all, my shoes cost it. Shoes cost it. Wow. Feel me? You think, boy, I'm walking around in that boy car, man. Follow this boutique, dog. They got all the Christian lube and they real. Follow them, cl.atl, christianlouboutin.atl, christianlouboutin.atl. Y'all follow them. Read about them, christianlouboutin.atl. Follow them. You know what I'm saying? That nigga ain't got no money. I got a badass side I can show y'all. Oh, yeah, here they go, right? He just still in the box with the receipt and shit on him. I never wear them. You feel me? Good. He tried to prove it, point to a girl and got embarrassed. I got so many fucking prayer red bottoms and shit. You feel me? Headfish. That nigga try to prove point to his girl, baby, ain't this my house? She like, yes, get off. That boy girl sound like a trans too. Yeah, that boy girl sound like a motherfucking tranny. I got another website I'm going.